Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate tech buddy for solutions and tips. Today, we are tackling a scary but important topic: how to remove any form of malware on Android phone. Malware can slow down your device, steal your data, and even hijack your accounts. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know how to spot and remove any form of malware from your Android phone. Here's what we will cover. 1. Scan your phone with an antivirus app. 2. Clear cache and browser data. 3. Spot the signs of malware. 4. Factory reset, last resort. So let us dive in and get your phone back to full health. Step 1. Scan your phone with an antivirus app. Download a trusted antivirus app like Malwarebytes or Avast Mobile Security. Open the antivirus app and run a full scan. Follow the app's instructions to remove any detected malware. Bonus tip: keep the app installed for real-time protection in the future. Step 2. Clear cache and browser data. Malware often hides in your browser or app cache. Go to Settings, Apps. Select your browser, example Chrome. Tap Storage, Clear cache, and Clear data. This will remove any malicious scripts hiding in your browser. Step 3. Spot the signs of malware. Here are some red flags that your phone might still be infected: sudden slowdowns or overheating, random pop-ups or ads even when you are not using apps, increased data usage or battery drain, unknown apps appearing on your phone. If you notice any of these after taking the steps above, consider the next step. Step 4. Factory reset, last resort. The malware is persistent. Factory reset will wipe everything. Back up your important files first. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options. Tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and confirm. Your phone will return to its original state, free of malware. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily remove any malware and keep your Android phone safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we will tackle more ways to keep your device secure. Till then, stay safe, my friends. Bye for now.